Welcome to lesson number 8, and in this lesson we are going to learn two new things. Number one, we are going to learn is half note dot, a new symbol which represents 3 beat of length of sound. All right, so this symbol half note dot, you see it's a half note and has a dot on the side. This means that you hold the note for 3 counts. Let's do it on C. 1, 2, 3. See, so that's how long the note has to be held down. 1, 2, 3. Instead of 1, 2, 3, you can also just say half note dot, half note dot, because half note dot has 3 syllables and it can be replaced as 3 counts. All right, half note dot, half note dot, half note dot, half note dot, half note dot. All right, so that's our first note. Now if you look at the song that we are going to do today, is called You Are My Sunshine. I hope you remember this song. We have heard this song so many times and it's the most famous song. Okay, if you look at the line number 4, and in line number 4 the second measure, that is half dot note. So you're going to hold that note, E note, for 3 counts. All right, so that's the value of half dot note. The second thing that we're going to learn in this lesson is our new note A, okay, where it is located on the staff. So far we have learned C, D, E, F note and a G note. Remember, the G note sits on the second line, isn't it? Today we are going to learn A, which is right next to G, and this sits on the second space of the treble clef. On your screen, as you can see, I have put 6 half dot note A's, one half note in each bar. All right, so for A, what we're going to do is take a hand, move towards our right in a way that your finger number 5 is on the A note. So let's do the exercise here. A note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's call it half note dot, half note dot, half note dot, half note dot. So you can practice this till you get familiar with this new note, the A note, which is on the second space of the staff. Now what we're going to do is, before we start playing, just look at the sheet music of You're My Sunshine and circle how many times this new note that we have learned today appears. So in the first line we don't have the A note. In the second line we have it on measure number 6 and measure number 7. Then in the third line we have it on measure number 10 and measure number 11. Let's look at the last line. In the last line we don't have A. Okay, so circle that. So whenever that A note comes, you're going to move your hand very slowly and play that A note. Okay, so let's start. First line. Now look at the treble clef. There is a quarter rest on the first beat, which means my right hand is not going to play on the first beat. But if you look at the bass clef, the chord does appear on the first beat. So what we're going to do is say 1 and 2, 3, 4. That's how we're going to count. So you will count bass clef chord as 1, then second beat will be on the treble clef, second note, third beat, and then fourth. All right, so let's play the song, all the 4 lines slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's look at the same song in its normal tempo. All right, so have fun. Remember, we learned half dot note and a new note A, and applied to the song You Are My Sunshine. See you in the next lesson.